Cheers.
Cheers.
What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the T-Stone channel. As you can see, we are in a different location today. We are at Pebble Beach. We are kicking off Monterey Car Week, and last night I had a chance to go to MotorLux. So if you've ever been to that event before, you know exactly what I'm talking about. They showcase some of the best vehicles. We had some great food, some great cocktails. Of course, I was there with the LC500. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about that.
Montage. I've been coming up hot for a minute. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Drop the top when I'm in it. Everybody know the drop when I'm in it. Yeah, I go so yo. Everybody know you know when the click through to the send is about to be a so big fun.
End of flashback.
But other than that, we are kicking off this week. Like I've shown you before, we're gonna do restaurants and of course show you some of the best things that you guys can see at Monterey Car Week. But before we go, make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that button, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so like you've seen before in previous episodes, I've shown you the LX 700H, the GX 550, but here at Pebble Beach, we're doing something a little bit different. So I want to showcase the brand new 2026 LC 500 convertible. Now, this is what you see right here. It is brand new for 2026. Production's going to start a little bit later on this month. So the exterior color that you guys see right here is called Win, and you will also be able to see for the interior, we do have a two-tone one. So the interior right now is done in a saddle tan and white interior. You've got the suede up on top, the Alcantara suede. You've got leather throughout the entire vehicle. You also have the Mark Levinson sound system. Now, with this vehicle, it is still a naturally aspirated 5-liter V8, 0 to 60 in 4.6 seconds, 471 horsepower. Now, this is something that you definitely need at Pebble Beach. I absolutely love this vehicle. We do have our inspiration series for the LC 500s, the bespoke ones. You can still be able to get a few different options, but this one in particular, as this one sits right here, you're looking around 121,000. It does have that soft top up here. It is a brown and white, kind of like a washed denim, which is really, really nice throughout. You'll still be able to fit a set of golf clubs in here. And I mean, what's better way to experience amazing than in an LC 500? All right, guys, we have finally made it to Carmel. I've got the crew behind us. Hey, Lindsay, say what's up. Lindsay's there, T-Page, Tiffany Page, Javin's in the back, but we are finally here. Like I said, I was gonna try to show you guys a really, really cool restaurant. Tiffany, wait. Tiffany, hold on. Where are we going right now? I love you, you're beautiful. Where are we going?
To Nora's.
Okay, what's happening at Nora's?
We're having some Italian food.
Italian food?
Mama's got to protect her due in this mist. So,
Exactly.
yes.
And then Javin, what are we hoping to get?
Pasta.
Pasta.
And wine.
And wine.
Hi.
And pasta and wine.
Pasta and wine.
Pasta
Good
and wine.
Pasta and wine.
All right, guys, we're going to Nora's. I'm gonna get you some pasta and wine. Thoughts, ma'am?
I love the color.
What color would you call it?
Actually, it looks like chartreuse.
Ooh, that's a good one. Or we would call.
Cerulean?
No, we would call it absinthe.
Ooh, absinthe and little green fairy.
That is very cute.
What did you get?
Spicy rigatoni.
What'd you get? You got swallow that,
Yes,
right?
please.
Okay. Don't kill me, guys.
It's okay. Why? What's wrong?
They dropped the wild thing on the floor. I kid you not. And I'm so sorry because you were debating whether or not to get pasta. And it fell. But we're making another one and we won't charge you for it. Okay? Just because we're making you wait, okay?
All right, Lindsay, finally got your flatbread.
Food is here. Sorry, it's too floppy.
That's a weird term for it, but okay. Tell me what you think. Do you wish you would have got pasta? With that being said, Tiff and I got pasta. So we got the gnocchi bolognese. Tiffany, what would you rate your pasta?
It's pretty good. Rating then 1 to 10.
Yeah, 1 to 10.
It was 7.5, 8.
Oh. I'd do 7.2 because I wish mine was more.
Well, that's why. Yes.
Okay, 7.2. But it is pretty delicious. And then, Sir Javin, what do you think yours is?
I say a 7.3.
7.3. But we still have dessert. Oh, hold on. Lindsay has some more.
It's a 4.
4? 4. But we are going to try to get dessert. I saw this like cinnamony something or other. I'm going to try to get that though.
24 sleepless hours later.
So we finally finished work. Don't mind us. We're a little tired. But we made it to the Monterey Motorsports Festival. Cheers.
Cheers.
We got Trader Joe's little tequila Paloma. 10 out of 10. Would recommend this.
It's strong.
It's strong. But we're going to see where we're going to get into. I do want to say a big shout out to, I think I'm going to make it a surprise. I can't do that yet. But big shout out to her. We're going to go head over. We're going to check out some cars. We're going to ride some roller coasters. Maybe get a funnel cake. Show you guys what this festival is all about. Thank you so much for the invite. We're going to get this started. All right, guys, so we have finally made it. I am super excited. We are waiting on our special guest. She will be meeting us here. We are right outside the Red Bull booth. So when she gets here, I hope you guys will be able to recognize her because she is amazing. Like I said, this is a little bit of a long story, but we have been Instagram, social media friends for a while. We tried to meet up at SEMA, but we couldn't, and now it's gonna happen. So I'm patiently waiting to find her, to see her. I gotta see where she's coming from.
1 minute, 37 seconds later.
So, E, are you excited?
So excited.
I'm so excited.
Who is this girl? I'm trying to meet this blonde Australian.
Blonde Australian, here we are.
Am I just allowed to creep
Oh my
listening to you do that?
So good to see you. So, Keziah, thank you so much. We have been Instagram friends. I almost pen pals for so long, and now we are here. We're in Monterey. She invited me out, invited Erica. This is Erica over here. Erica works for me, and we are so excited for all of this. So
I'm
thank
so
you.
glad you could be here, and we have Mad Mac here all the way. We've flown here. It's a person now. It's a car with a personality.
I love it.
Up from Japan. From here, it goes straight to New Zealand. So it's the only event it's going to be at in America.
This is so exciting. So thank you so much. Like I said, we are going to take you around here. Stay tuned. I told them that Erica and I definitely want to ride the roller coaster and get some funnel cake and then check out some really cool cars. So we'll show you that. We got nachos. We got tacos. We need some Red Bull. And our night is complete. Almost complete. So Erica, you got to see your very first burnout exhibition, should we say that? Burnout pit. Showcase.
Okay.
At the you got to see donuts, girl.
I did. I didn't know donuts could do, I didn't know it was that level.
Yeah, I didn't know donuts could do that.
High school in a parking lot doing donuts in the snow. Not that, that's insane.
All right, so I think I've turned Erica into a person who enjoys burnouts, some donuts, some horsepower. Mitch, what do you think? That's it? That's all you can say? You race
He's all over that.
You race King of the Motos, and that's all you can say.
Yeah, I'm a stuntman. I'm good on camera, not talking to the camera.
Not talking to the camera. You guys, now we are about to go. What are we about to do?
We are about to fire up the Mad Mac, world's only P1 Drift McLaren, custom built in 100 days, rotary powered. It's about to fire up. There's gonna be flames out the side of it. It's gonna be incredible.
You guys, do you see this smile right now? I was exhausted when we got here. We have been nonstop at Monterey. We have been nonstop working.
Careful not to get too close, I might just go.
14 hours later. Early the next morning.
All right, guys, it was a crazy, crazy week. As you can see, a lot happened at Monterey Car Week. I'm so excited that I get to go every single year. So first of all, big shout out to Keziah. Thank you so much for inviting Erica and I to Motorsports Festival, Monterey Motorsports Festival. Sorry, you guys know when I get super excited, I just get speechless, which is really weird, but super, super cool to see that. I loved all of that. It was really cool to show Erica the experience that I had as well. But in just a little bit, we are going to be heading to Loveland, Colorado for another episode, and then hopefully we can check out another national park. But until next time, make sure you guys like, subscribe, click that button, and I'll see you on the next one.